Hello YouTube, Gold Silver Strength here, and this is a market recap for August 5th, 2020, and we'll be going over the three major US indices, the Russell 2000, Bitcoin, gold, and silver. So a little bit more of the same story. The DXY chopped sideways. Again, it didn't break the lows here. Let's see what those lows are. It didn't break the lows here at 2092.50 and instead formed a bottom tail. So it's confirmed channeling in between 92.50 and 93.96, basically 94. So we can continue to expect that until the 9-day moving average further along channels also with the price action, and the 26-day moving average also approaches very close until we see another bullish cross. The Dow put on some slight gain today. Now it finished above the 9-day moving average and tested the 27,000 level. Its next target will be to test the 27,600 level. And until then, it's still a lot of bullish momentum that is not looking to slow down. These NASDAQ put on some fractional gains, ultimately finishing with new highs, but it wasn't an aggressive green candle, so bullish momentum is slowing, but there's still a lot of bullish momentum. Can we see a retracement of this green candle? In the past, NASDAQ has not been unfamiliar with going 5 green candles in a row and still pushing to new highs. So this can continue on at least until the end of this week. But you also need to be aware that it can retrace at any moment, and when it does, it will touch the 9-day moving average and possibly even lower. S&P 500 finished above its local highs, but I do believe it's still lower than the March highs. Yep, still lower than the March highs, but it is trying to break into this gap formed right here. So it still needs to test the highs at 33.91, and it still has about 100 more points or so to go. Still, bullish momentum is slowing since these candles are not as big, but you would not short anything at this position just yet. You'll need more confirmation. Russell 2000 put on some slight gains. The candle was bigger than yesterday, and I believe it did break over its local highs at 2183. So now we'll see whether or not the Russell 2000 can continue this bullish momentum upward and break through this level and form another great green candle going on upward. Bitcoin is still channeling sideways. It did a big greenish candle today, but it still hasn't tested its 12,000 highs. And until it does so, Bitcoin will just be channeling sideways as it breaks above the 9-day moving average. Gold formed a doji today. Although it finished above 2,000, it comfortably formed a doji right above, indicating to me that bullish momentum is slowing, and we can see that it might want to retrace back. Right away, I see after this bullish momentum, it formed a doji and then it retraced back within the 9-day moving average, ultimately waiting and consolidating for at least a whole 2 months. So will that be the case here? Time will tell, but bullish momentum is slowing, but you would not short gold at this point. This is not a signal to short gold. Silver put on some major gains, breaking over its local highs, and it formed a bottom doji, which signals to me that bullish momentum is very strong for silver, and it looks to want to break towards even higher, up to 30. Nothing is slowing. It's a lot over the 9-day moving average, and we should continue silver to go on this massive run until the end of the week. So that's it for a market recap for August 5th, 2020. The dollar index is chopping sideways. Everything put on some fractional gains. We have some indices and some commodities that are looking to take off and put on another huge green candle, which is very bullish. And for the bears out there, you need to continue to watch the price action because right now it's all green. And I hope this analysis helps you guys. Thank you for listening. Are you tired of losing in trading and investing? Check out my videos where I do a bare bones analysis on just the price action. No fancy indicators, no gimmicks, just trend analysis and winning here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.